Mofin Joshua from Corona School, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. As we join CNN to celebrate Call to Earth Day with the theme Our Shared Home, we will be embarking on a project by repurposing old PET bottles into a beautiful item. Thank you.
An amazing thing out of these PET bottles and cartons is an excellent opportunity to engage in an environmentally hands-on project. PET bottles are commonly used as drinks, while cartons often have various products like milk or juice. Instead of discarding these items, we can transform them into useful or decorative objects. By repurposing PET bottles and cartons, we learn the valuable principles of responsible consumption and production.
Furthermore, this project serves as a practical lesson in sustainability. It teaches us that with a little imagination and effort, we can contribute to a cleaner and a more eco-friendly world. It's an enjoyable way to grasp the concept that our actions can make a positive difference in reducing waste and conserving resources. By using PET bottles and cartons to create new items, we not only express our creativity, but we also learn to cherish these materials as valuable resources. This is not just a fun project, it's a step towards becoming responsible global citizens who appreciate the importance of reducing and recycling waste in our daily lives.
Only the PET bottles constitute waste in our society. Being a non-biodegradable waste is a serious menace, resulting in serious environmental hazard with a lasting impact on planet Earth. According to United Nations Environment Programme, plastic pollution can alter habitats and natural processes, reducing ecosystems' ability to adapt to climate change, directly affecting millions of livelihoods, food production capabilities, and social well-being. Creating new and useful materials from this waste is a testament to our creativity and problem-solving skills. It might be a piece of art, a simple gadget, or a functional item like the Christmas tree we are building. We get to understand the versatility of these seemingly ordinary objects and discover the endless possibilities for giving them a new purpose.
Then, the applied glue at the bottom of the green plastic bottles and stuck it on the round, which will make layers of the tree. Now, let's have a few words with our fellow friend. Hello Lachelle, what are you doing today?
We're applying the finishing touches using green plastic bottles to do the edges.
Thank you.